The Hyundai Creta EV marks a confident move towards the future of mobility. With its bold design, capable performance, and intelligent technology, it is made to make every drive fully electric. The Creta EV is available in two battery options, a 51.4 kWh variant and a 42 kWh variant. Let's take a look at how each one charges. For a 51.4 kWh variant, using the 11 kW charger, which takes a 3-phase connection, charging from 0 to 100% takes around 4 to 5 hours. On a 7.5 kW charger, the full charge takes around 7 to 8 hours. And with a DC 50 kW charger, you can go from 0 to 80% in 50 to 60 minutes. For the 42 kWh variant, using a 11 kW 3-phase supply, it charges from 0 to 100% in 4 to 5 hours, while a 7.5 kW AC charger takes roughly around 6 to 7 hours. Using the 50 kW fast DC charger, the Creta EV reaches around 80% in under 1 hour. If you're planning to use a 11 kW charger, remember, a 3-phase connection is required to unlock its full capabilities. This is where Strompuls fits right in, offering charging solutions that adapt to how you drive. Whether it's a 7.5 kW AC charger for overnight home charging or a Strompuls 11 kW 3-phase charger for faster, high-capacity charging, Strompuls ensures safe, efficient, and reliable power for your Creta EV. Whichever charger you choose, Strompuls keeps your EV powered, protected, and ready for the road ahead. Strompuls. Go electric, go green.